Okay, hello friends, welcome back to your computer classes. So kids, in our last video we have started a chapter that is typing. The chapter was, in that chapter we were reading that how we can do the efficient typing. Now, so before reading the book, we have completed some of the parts, but before reading the book, let us complete a few PPTs. Before moving toward the book, I'll here explain you the basic of computer keyboard and proper finger positioning. Okay, so let us start. Okay, here. So this PPT is computer keyboard and proper finger positioning. Okay, now, so this is our keyboard and see, हमने क्या कल पढ़ा कि these all are the home key, है ना? Now here in this slide we are reading about different buttons that are present on the computer screen, on your computer screen or on your keyboard. Now see, this button is tab, this is escape button, functions key, like from here F1 to F12, these all are the function key. This is enter key, this is backspace, print screen. Now print screen is used to take the screenshot, like you take the screenshot on your mobile phones now. To similarly on your laptops also you can take, on your laptop and on your computer also you can take screenshot by using print screen. Okay, these are the scroll keys, page up and page down, and these are the indicators. ये आपको कुछ कुछ लैपटॉप्स में देखने को मिलते हैं इंडिकेटर. इसमें क्या होता है भाई, अगर हम कैपिटल मतलब कैप्स लॉक अगर हमारा ऑन है तो ये कैप्स लॉक क्या हो जाएगा, लाइटन हो जाएगा. स्क्रोल लॉक है तो स्क्रोल लॉक हो जाएगा, न्यूमरिक लॉक है तो न्यूमरिक लॉक हो जाएगा. ओके, now here we are having this control key and this is shift key. This is capital lock or caps lock, space bar. Okay, so these all are the different key. Alternate, Windows key, see, Windows key. This is what window key, menu, and arrow key. Using the arrow key, what you can do, you can go up, down, side to left or right. And now these all are the numeric key. So these our keyboard, there are 101 keys and they are divided into different key. 101 key are there in all and each key has its own function. Okay, now parts of keyboard. We have just read about the different keys. Now here we are going to read about parts of keyboard. So the first key that we are going to read is escape key. Now escape key is, it cancels command or series of command. What happened? Escape key help us to cancel our previous action. It can cancel the command of or series of command. Okay. Now next is tab. It moves the cursor to the next tab stop. Okay, so there's a bit difference between space bar and tab. What happened? Tabs move cursor to the next tab stop. Again, next one is capital lock, that is caps lock. It turns on off typing in capital letter. Now what does it mean? Suppose we have to write someone's name. Now if we have to write someone's name, we can't use small letter, we have to use capital letter. Okay. Delete. As the name suggests, delete key is used to delete the next letter one at a time. Okay, so delete key is used to delete the next letter and one at a time. Again, some more key. Next one is backspace. I know you all are aware about the backspace. Now it moves the cursor back and erase character one at a time. So now backspace, what it does, it delete, it erase. It moves the cursor and erase one character at a time. Next is numeric keypad. Numeric keypad. Okay. It allows faster typing of number using one hand. तो देखो न्यूमरिक कीपैड के लिए आपके कीबोर्ड के राइट हैंड साइड में बस जो कीज दी है उनमें क्या है, उनमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ नंबर्स हैं, है ना. तो what it how it helps us, it helps us to type faster only with one hand. Now next is control or alternate. Now control or alternate, it is used to combine with other key to perform a specific task. Now control, जैसे control plus C we use to copy, control plus P we use to print, है ना, likewise. So control and alternate, they are used with other key to perform some specific task. Next is shift. Now shift is used to capitalize a letter or allow you to use the upper symbol in numeric key when combined with other key. Now next is parts of keyboard. So some more key. Home row. Home keys where hands are at rest when typing. Home row, right? We have read about this yesterday also, na, home row, where our key rests while we are done with typing. Now next is the space bar. It moves cursor forward one space at a time, leaving a blank. Okay. Now, space bar is used to give space between two words or two letters. Now, next is enter. It moves cursor to the next line of typing. Now, it moves cursor to the next line of typing. Next one is arrow direction keys. Now, arrow direction keys, it moves the cursor left, right, up and down without erasing the text. It moves the cursor left, right, up and down without erasing the text. So arrow key is used to, suppose we have to move up or down, so we can use that without, we can use the arrow key without erasing the key. Okay, now without erasing the text. Now finger names. Now understanding finger name is very important. Understanding finger name is very important to understand. Understanding finger name is very important to understand the typing skills. Okay. So here they have used some names. Let us study. Thumb, index finger, Okay, so we were reading about finger names, है ना? तो the first finger, thumb, then index finger, then middle finger, ring finger and little finger, or they have called it pinky here. Okay, so the finger names are thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Now proper finger placement on the keyboard, left hand keys and right hand keys. So now this too I have already explained you, but still see. Now this line A, S, D, F, Z, H, J, K, L. Now these lines, this row is home row. Okay, so here what happened? Here our fingers rest when they are not in the proper use. See. Now proper finger positioning. Left hand, right hand, one, that means Q. Acha, see, one Q A Z, that means your little finger, left hand's little finger should be positioned like that so that it can be able to type 1 Q A Z and shift key. Okay, now or control key. Okay, now second finger is W S. Okay, now see. Now second finger is used to type the W S X. Third finger is E D C and the fourth and the fifth finger they are used to type the R T F Z V B and its thumb is used to type the space bar. Similarly, right hand side we are having some some keys to type. Now, typing speed activity. Now, do not rush when you are just started learning. That means likewise we have just started learning. So that means we should not rush. Rush means we should not rush that हमें आज ही अच्छी सी typing आ जाएगी बेटा. It is a skill and it will take some time. Now second point. Second point is this is a speedytypingonline.com. This is the typing tutor. Take your time when you typing to avoid mistake. While typing, we should take our time to avoid the mistake. Now always scan the text and words in advance. जो भी हमें टाइप करना है उसको आप पहले से एक बार देखे रखिए. Now typing speed tips. First is open your Google Chrome browser by double clicking the icon. Speed up only when your finger hit the right key out of habit. Speed तभी बढ़नी चाहिए जब आपकी फिंगर्स कीज के ऊपर habitual हो जाए. Practice typing online. So yesterday I have shown you several websites where we like typingtest.com where we can learn the typing. Observe your typing speed as you do it over and over again. Now, that's all for now. Okay. Now, so we have read this. Now, let us move toward our book exercise. Okay, let us move toward our book exercise. So I'm going to open your book exercise. Let us search our book here. So I guess that PPT was more than enough. Yeah, I guess that PPT was more than enough for us to understand the thing. Now let us see what else is given in our book. Okay, so this is class 4th book. We need to open class 5th book. So let us open class 5th book. So kids, here we have opened our book, and in our last class we have already done up to part 9. So today we have to read part 10 and part 11. Let us do the reading. Part 10. Now in this part देखो अभी हमने PPT पढ़ा. PPT was more than enough. Okay, PPT was more than enough for us to understand the thing. Now we are going to read part 10. Part 10 is, in this part we add two new keys. In this part we are going to add two new keys, that is B and N. Both are pressed with the index finger. Both the keys, that is B and N, these both the keys will be pressed with the index finger of your left hand and N with the finger of your right hand. Okay. Now moving ahead. Part 11. In this part, we add two new keys, X and full stop. See, X and full stop. Press X with the ring finger of your left hand and press the full stop key with the ring finger of your right hand. Okay, now. So, here we are adding two new key, that is X and full stop. Next part is part 12. Now in part 12 they are adding Z and slash key. In part 12 they are adding Z and slash key. Z and slash key. Press both the key with the little finger of both the hand. Now we have Z and slash key, that means Z is this side and slash key this side. So we have to press the both the key with the little finger of our both the hand. Okay, now moving ahead. Next we are having self-evaluation. That means we have completed the reading of this chapter. So let us take a glance of the chapter and then we will move ahead. we have finished the chapter and let us take a glance of the chapter. Now this chapter is learning to type. In this chapter we have learned different things, but the most important thing that we have read in this chapter, that this line, that typing with all 10 fingers is like a skill, or like a skill of riding bicycle. But if you type with one or two finger, it is like riding with your feet on the ground. Okay, and there are several. Now, there are several key points that we must keep while typing, like avoid looking at the keyboard while typing, place your forearm slightly above the keyboard, press the keys softly, place your fingers on the keyboard. So these all are the several key points that we have to keep in our mind while typing. Okay, so we have completed this chapter, and now this is the time that we should start doing book exercise. So let us do book exercise. Self evaluation. Now, self evaluation. So this is a checklist, and according to which, after reading the chapter, I know these points. I know that typing is a process wherein text is input with a keyboard. I know that typing is a process where text is input with a keyboard. So true. Yes, typing is a process where we enter text with the help of keyboard. Now, next is I know that we should avoid looking at the keyboard while typing. Yes, again, this is one of the key points, that we should avoid looking at the keyboard while typing. Third, I know that we should press the keyboard keys softly. So yes, we should press the keyboard keys softly. I know that the learning to type with all the fingers will increase the productivity. So again, this line is also true, that when we type with all our finger, it will increase the productivity. It will increase the productivity. That means we can type with faster speed, है ना? मतलब क्या, कि जब हम अपने सारी 10 फिंगर से टाइप करते हैं विथ ऑल ओवर फिंगर, तो क्या होता है उसमें भाई, उसमें हमारी स्पीड क्या होती है, बढ़ जाती है टाइप करने की. Now, next is exercise question. Take the correct answer. Let us do. First one is, which finger is used to type the character S, W and X? Now, S, W and X. Which finger? Ring finger, index finger or middle finger? See, we will use our index finger. We will use our index finger to type SWX. Next is, which finger is used to type the character AQZ? Now AQZ we will type with the help of our little finger. AQZ we will type with the help of our little finger. Which software program is used to type the text? Which software program is used to type the text? MS Word. MS Word is a word program where we are supposed to type the text. Now read the next question. Now, next is your finger must be in the middle row of your keyboard as known as your finger must be in the middle row of your keyboard known as home key. Your finger must be in the middle row of your keyboard, which are also known as home keys. Okay, so let us revise the exercise question once again. Which finger is used to type the character SWX? Ring finger. Which finger is used to type the character AQZ? Little finger. Which software program is used to type the text? MS Word. Now, which finger must be in the middle row of your keyboard it is known as home key. Now, the next is fill in the blank. Though these questions are very easy, but still let us do them. Okay, dear. Let us start. Question number 2. Question number 2A. A dash is a process of inputting text with the keyboard. Dash is a process of inputting text with the keyboard. What is that process called, beta? That process is known as typing. That process is known as typing. You can press the space bar with your. Achha, let me open a virtual keyboard for you. Let me open a keyboard for you. Then you will be more able to understand. Where is my keyboard? Yes, here it is. So this is my keyboard and let us do. So now they are asking ki where with the help of which of your finger you can press the space bar. This is space bar. So we can press the space bar with the help of our thumb. We can press it with the help of our thumb. Okay. Next is avoid looking at the where we should avoid while typing. We should avoid looking at the keyboard while typing. We should avoid looking at the keyboard while typing. Now position you. So where we should avoid looking? We should avoid looking at the keyboard. Okay, now next is position your finger back on the where we should position our finger back. We should position our finger back on the home key, this key, this A to L key. Here we should position our finger back when we are done with typing. Now next is write T for the true and F for the false statement. Typists should not avoid looking at the keyboard while typing. Typists should not avoid looking at the keyboard while typing. So this is true or false? Tell me, this statement is true or false? Typist should avoid looking at the keyboard while typing. Then this statement will become true. Now this statement is false. Now next is place forearm slightly above the keyboard. This statement is true. Now